Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Wi-Fi and Bluetooth option grayed out on iPhone after iOS 17 and 16 after update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. You have must be first solution. You have please ensure the airplane mode is turned off on your iPhone. So you have from control center and you have opened the setting when you want those choose the function option on your iPhone. So you have turn off airplane mode first of all, and then second solution you have update iOS. If you not update to iOS 17, so you have update iOS 17 so on your iPhone. So open the setting, click on general software update on your iPhone. So click here and install iOS latest version on your iPhone. So then third solution, reset network setting. Then you have again open the setting, click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then click on reset network setting, iPhone given a passcode, and then 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then your problem will be fixed. And uh, fourth solution, reset all setting. Again open the setting and then click on general again, so scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then click on reset all setting, iPhone given a passcode, do not lose any data, so only reset all setting. And then other solution, fifth solution, restore to factory settings. So you have again open the setting and click on general, scroll up, transfer or reset, then click on the erase all content setting, then you have continue, and iPhone only data lose from your iPhone, and then your problem will be fixed. And then last solution, you have restart your iPhone. So you have volume up button and then volume up button, volume down button, press the power button when you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.